I'm going down the river of sadness. I'm going down the river of pain. In the dark under the wires, I hear them call my name. I gave you the key to the highway and the key to my motel door. And I'm tired of leaving and leaving. I can't come back no more. Oh, my dark-eyed friend, I'm recalling you again. Soft voices that speak nothing to the end. Blind they call, but yet stay behind the wall. Their sadness grows like weeds up on my thighs and knees. Oh, Mother Earth, the wind is hard. I tried my best, but I could not. And my eyes fade from me in this old